We still out here fighting this sucker. Man, I lost eyes on my water tower, so I'm flying blind in the snow. How about y'all get a look at this in Louisiana? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, no, I couldn't tell you last time you look outside and you see this shit. But it's not the point is that it's below freezing, and I'm employed at one of the only, well, I wouldn't say the only, but one of the few water departments that are still alive and pumping, baby. Pump, pump. Now, we'll come outside, get another shot. This is over here. Look at the sun, how beautiful. Melted off.